Tonight, controversy and concern over the Memphis police and fire departments having the addresses of people who tested positive for COVID-19. The Tennessee Black Legislative Caucus warns that this could have a chilling effect on people getting tested, and they might want to stop. The Memphis Police Department, along with the fire department, well, they say they need that information in order to protect first responders. Fox 13's Greg Coy joins us live now. Greg, you spoke to an attorney who specializes in healthcare regulations.
And this attorney says this is all legal. It's all legal. But the Black Tennessee Legislative Caucus says, wait a minute, not so fast. They want some changes. They say people ought to be asked in advance if they want to give out a sliver of their personal information to law enforcement during these anxious times.
Our first responders.
Protect Memphis and Shelby County first responders by providing the addresses of homes where someone inside has either tested positive or quarantined for COVID-19 so they can gear up if they have to respond to a call, says Police Director Mike Rawlings. But the public was unaware they were releasing that type of personal information until Friday when the story broke.
You know, the information is, again, protected. The MOU requires that it's encrypted. Unauthorized release of that information could result in federal prosecution.
It is legal.
Dawn Campbell is a healthcare regulatory attorney. She tells me limited patient information can be released legally to protect public safety, especially during a pandemic. I asked what would happen if someone refused to share that information before being tested.
No health or healthcare entity is going to deny the patient from being tested, but they also cannot promise the patient that that information is not going to be shared with the Memphis Police or Memphis Fire Department.
That's the legal argument, but there is political fallout.
We still look on it as an infringement of the privacy rights.
Memphis state lawmaker G.A. Hardaway fears if people knew their addresses would be given to law enforcement, it might have a chilling effect, especially in the poorer and minority communities where mass testing is needed and now the focus.
And they will not go to get the test done. We've got rumors already that it's a government conspiracy.
Hardaway tells me he's trying to convince the governor to change state policy to allow people to sign a waiver to allow their addresses to be collected and shared if they test positive.
So we've skipped the first step of this. So we can get there, but we've got to do it right.
State Representative Hardaway told me that he and other members of the Tennessee Black Legislative Caucus are engaged in some type of dialogue with the governor's office. They want to have this policy changed. He says that it could happen perhaps by this week. Reporting live in Berkeley, I'm Greg Coy, Fox 13 News.